Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 14th, 2025, and we're diving into Amcor's fiscal 2025 Q4 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, can you give us a brief introduction to Amcor and the significance of this report?
Thank you. Amcor is a global leader in consumer packaging and dispensing solutions, recently completing a transformative acquisition of Berry Global. This report is significant as it marks a milestone quarter, showcasing the impact of this acquisition and setting the stage for strong growth in fiscal 2026.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Amcor reported net sales of $5,082 million for Q4, a 43% increase excluding currency impact. John, what drove this impressive growth?
The growth was primarily driven by the acquisition of Berry Global, which added approximately $1.5 billion in sales. Additionally, there was a favorable impact from higher raw material costs and a positive price mix effect, despite a slight decline in volumes.
And how about profitability?
Adjusted EBITDA and EBIT both saw significant increases, up 43% and 34% respectively. This reflects the successful integration of Berry Global and the realization of initial synergies, as well as strong cost management across the board.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Amcor's adjusted EPS for the quarter came in at 20 cents, slightly below the forecast of 21 from 5 analysts. John, what factors contributed to this slight miss?
The slight miss can be attributed to higher integration costs and some operational challenges in the North American beverage business. However, the overall performance remains strong, and the company is well positioned for future growth.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Amcor's acquisition of Berry Global is a major strategic move. How is this expected to impact the company's future performance?
The acquisition positions Amcor as a leader in consumer packaging, with $650 million in identified synergies through fiscal 2028. For fiscal 2026, they expect $260 million in synergy benefits, contributing to an EPS growth of 12 to 17%.
That's impressive. What are the key areas of focus for Amcor moving forward?
Amcor is focusing on optimizing its core portfolio, which includes high-growth categories like health, beauty, and nutrition. They're also exploring alternatives for non-core businesses to maximize value.
CEO's vision and market reaction. CEO Peter Konieczny described this quarter as a milestone for Amcor. What insights did he share about the company's direction?
Peter Konieczny emphasized the transformative impact of the Berry Global acquisition, highlighting positive customer feedback and new business wins. He expressed confidence in delivering strong EPS growth and increased free cash flow in fiscal 2026.
How has the market reacted to this report?
The market has responded positively, with investors optimistic about the growth prospects and the successful integration of Berry Global. The strategic initiatives and strong guidance have bolstered confidence in Amcor's future performance.
Key takeaways. In summary, Amcor has delivered a strong performance in fiscal 2025, with significant growth driven by strategic acquisitions and operational efficiencies. John, what are the key takeaways for investors?
Investors should note the robust revenue growth, the successful integration of Berry Global, and the positive outlook for fiscal 2026. The increased dividend also reflects Amcor's commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Amcor's performance in the comments below.